हाय गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज डेट क्या है आज का? 27, आई थिंक 27 है। तो मंडे वी आर गोइंग टू साइकार विलेज। तो वहाँ पे एक वाटरफॉल्स है, तो हम लोग खेलने के लिए जा रहे हैं। पानी है बोला है वहाँ पे, तो लेट्स सी व्हाट विल बी द फर्दर प्लान्स। हम लोग रास्ते में आपको दिखाएंगे। This lady is already feeling dizzy right now, so if she does anything, I'll throw her out of the car and I'll go alone with her brother. So we both are fixed to go. I don't know about her. So excited. Chalo, we'll meet you.
See you. तो we got some oranges यहाँ पे। मुझे कुछ sour things खाने का मन कर रहा है, तो अभी जा रहे हैं। We are leaving कुमारघाट now. गाइस, तो यहाँ पर रुके हुए हम थोड़ा सा फोटोशूट कर रहे हैं। सो नाइस, दिस इज अ गुड व्यू, बहुत अच्छा है। We are in Saikar Village. There is a small shop. No, here is my aunt's mother-in-law. Kang phone rồi tak, Jenny no kang phone tak.
This is the new cycle one. And over
Where we went last time, there is all cycle.
which side it was?
That side, Uncle Zara's place, no? So ये है main road, guys.
Separate like that.
Beautiful. So this is the way.
Their village, no? This side.
YouTube पे लंपा नहीं थे ओ।
Ngoma tiang ang.
Kasan dito. Di pimkan straight, go straight. Sa tongin sok ti venga roy on, thelo ya po. Pare. Budin loy bane zoi. Have to go from here. So this two are our tour guide. In tour guide. There. Have to climb all this. Kumakin kala han mahirangi chikteriri ko. Step om na ha chang no mai. Step zukal na ha chang no. Adang pu. Step pu te mason. An chom na kal thai no chang ma pu so. Ma. Yeah, you could have come, no?
Hey, did I switch it on or no?
Woo! Welcome to Saikar! Welcome to Tripura!
Oh, see the way how they have made it to go down. There is a waterfalls basically. ज़्यादा पानी नहीं है अभी. This is the place. Look at the water. It's very less. So this is complete adventure, guys. पूरा adventure है. देखो, this is where we have to go down now. See down here. Where is the road? Where is the road? Shabash, I slipped. Oh, I slipped down very badly, but nothing happened. These guys left me and went. I fell down. Hey, where did you guys go from? From there or here? Oh, वहाँ से. You lie down. The sleeping panda. Yeah, your husband fell down. You are not worried about that.
This is called Tuisoi. This is called Tuisoi.
हाँ.
So guys, you have to construction now. They're going to make a chair like this, and you can come and watch from here. ऐसे देख सकते हैं. Afterwards, they're going to float coming in this area.
हाँ. Who said?
They're making a open bridge बना रहे हैं. So from here, people can watch.
That's it.
Photo भी ले सकते हैं. That's it. So we came on the right time. It's no restriction thing है ना. Once the tourism department takes over, they will restrict.
Okay.
There is Richie. Hi, Baba.
Oh, the monkey is climbing up. Hey, slippery है वो.
Enta, ba't yan hinkal sa kailangan ne? Pukay? There, he's experiencing all these things for the first time. He's being careful and कैसा लग रहा है बाबा? डर के आगे जीत है. हम यहाँ पे नीचे आ गए हैं. देखो बात kan tagin lang lakit. Okay, that's your. Come corner से आ जाओ. कुछ नहीं होता. देखो waterfall is there और हम है यहाँ पे. There is हमारा husband. The water is not so clean.
Go for a swim and come.
Huh?
Go for a swim and come.
Stuck here.
हाँ. Turn.
Guys, we're leaving now. अभी हम जा रहे हैं. Bye bye Tuisoi. Oh, बहुत अच्छा लगा. It took bus. We played in the water so well.
At least once in a while she's taking bath.
How was your experience, Baba?
Experience was good, not bad.
But we were very scared, no?
Yeah, obviously I have this one to do, lot of work to do in my life. Anything happens to me, who will take care of you?
Go, 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 go! Bus हो गया.
Không intend to unang ninlakinti. Hello, da. Nang mani Saikar ite, Saikar 2.0.
तो अभी जा रहे वापस.
That's upper Saikar Saikar.
बच्चे के घर में जाएंगे, अजय हवा के घर में. We'll have food there. So that's my aunt's ससुराल. My youngest auntie का ससुराल है यहाँ पे. So it is where we are headed now. अभी पेपर जाएंगे हम. यहाँ पे भी the small we played here also when we came for the first time. We played there.
We slide over there, huh?
Yeah. This is a resting place. And ये शायद guest house बना रहे हैं. वहाँ पर भी मात्यांग सोने कल थे दिन चंगाते ब्रिटन सीएम से किन हिला. Your call. So this is Saikar Baptist Church. We are in lower Saikar. What is that? Lower Saikar. So upper Saikar वहाँ पे है. There. Do you see houses? So this is the lower Saikar, and this is my aunt's house, Uncle Rama's house. So देखो. So nice, no? चलो जाते हैं. यहाँ पर खाना खाना है. So guys, I'm done. I got dressed up and अभी हम खाना खाएंगे. We're gonna have food. ये देखो. Wow, it's gonna be so yummy. Fresh from bamboo. Duitala. देखो आंटी ने बनाया. Nah, mah itu. Imahite. Mahi. Ui saja. In lại nó rồi pha. Pha oi rộng lắm. This is squirrel है ये squirrel meat. Squirrel meat है ये squirrel.
Wow.
तो हमने खाना भी खा लिया गाइस. खाना बहुत so good. I wasn't expecting to eat squirrel meat actually. So I'm so happy. तो अभी थोड़ी देर बाद we will be leaving. Yeah, around 2:50 and all we will be leaving क्योंकि हमारा dentist appointment है 5:30 को. So yeah. So guys, अभी हम जा रहे हैं घर. Yeah, we're going back now and we will see you. So hi guys, we finally reached Kumarghat now. अभी रिची और योना मिष्टी खा रहे कुछ स्वीट्स खा रहे हैं, बच्चों के लिए मैंने कुछ खाना ले लिया है। अभी हम घर जाएंगे और शाम को डेंटिस्ट का अपॉइंटमेंट है तो हम वहाँ पर ले जाएंगे। सो गाइस वी हैव कम हियर टू द डेंटिस्ट, स्केलिंग करने के लिए दोनों का।